2025, the world of recreational vehicles has witnessed a revolution unlike anything seen before. Towering above the rest in both design and dominance is what many now call the most insane motorhome ever built. A vehicle that feels more like a futuristic mansion on wheels than a traditional RV. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a technological wonder, a design statement, and a luxury suite that redefines road travel forever. At first glance, its appearance is overwhelming. The body is sculpted with aggressive aerodynamic lines, coated in a high-gloss ceramic. Finish that shifts subtly in tone depending on the light. Silver in the sun, gunmetal under shade. Measuring over 50 feet long and built taller than a standard bus, it's impossible to ignore. The entire structure is raised on ultra-heavy-duty military-grade suspension, sitting atop 8 oversized, titanium-reinforced wheels, each wrapped in all-terrain tires that could handle the harshest landscapes on Earth. The front fascia looks like a hybrid of a space shuttle and a stealth aircraft, featuring an armored windshield that stretches seamlessly into the roof, giving the driver and passengers a panoramic command view of the world outside. Embedded LiDAR scanners, 360-degree thermal cameras, and retractable radar modules offer both driver assistance and full autonomous capability. It can drive itself across deserts, mountains, or icy terrain with precision. Step inside, and you immediately feel the shock of opulence. The interior opens with a grand staircase. Yes, a staircase that leads into a living space featuring real marble floors with underfloor heating, custom Italian leather seating, and automated electrochromic windows that tint instantly for privacy. There's a retractable 98-inch OLED screen, integrated surround sound by Bang & Olufsen, and even a virtual ceiling that simulates a night sky or sunrise on command. The kitchen? Full-sized, with Miele appliances, a built-in wine cellar, and smart glass countertops that light up and change opacity at a touch. Opposite that, there's a dining area with a hydraulic table that folds away to become a poker table, a chessboard, or an extended desk setup. The rear of the motorhome holds the crown jewel, the master suite. It includes a California king-size bed, walk-in closet, and a bathroom more luxurious than many hotel penthouses. Heated stone walls, rainfall smart showers, and a self-cleaning toilet system that feels straight out of a sci-fi film. There's even a private sauna integrated behind a mirrored sliding panel. But what truly takes this motorhome into insane territory is the garage bay. A full automated platform underneath the living area houses a custom electric hypercar included with the purchase. The vehicle is recharged via the motorhome's built-in solar matrix system on the roof, which generates enough power to support both the house and the car indefinitely.